We see the world through our eyes every single day, but how much do we really know about them? Our eyes are like portals to the world, beautiful, mysterious, and full of secrets. And today, I'm going to tell you some shocking facts about your eyes and their colors that will make you look in the mirror a little differently tonight. Before we start, take a second to look at your eyes in your phone's front camera. What color are they? Brown, blue, green, gray, or something in between? Drop your eye color in the comments. Let's see which eye color dominates this video. Did you know that your eye color can change over time? Some babies are born with blue or gray eyes that turn green, hazel, or brown as they grow. And for a few people, eye color can keep changing even into adulthood. It's usually due to shifting pigment levels or light reflection, but in some rare medical conditions, one eye can lose color entirely. Crazy, right? And if you have blue eyes, here's something wild. You share a common ancestor with every other blue-eyed person on Earth. Scientists believe this started from a single mutation around 6,000 to 10,000 years ago near the Black Sea. So, technically, all blue-eyed people are distant cousins. If you're one of them, type Team Blue Eyes in the comments and see how many others join you. Now here's something that might mess with your head. Your eyes actually see everything upside down. Yep, when light enters your eyes, the image is flipped. It's your brain that flips it back so you see the world the right way. Just think about that for a second. Everything you see right now is actually reversed until your brain fixes it. Wild. Only about 2% of the entire world has naturally green eyes, making them one of the rarest eye colors. That's fewer people than the entire population of Japan. And no, green eyes aren't just a mix of blue and yellow. They're formed through a unique combination of light scattering and very low levels of melanin. If you're one of those rare green-eyed beauties, don't be shy. Tell us in the comments. You might be part of the rarest squad watching this video. Some people have one blue eye and one brown eye, or other unusual combinations. This condition is called heterochromia, and it's more common than you'd think. It can be genetic or caused by injury or illness. It's more common in animals, but in humans, it makes someone look like they belong in a fantasy movie. Have you ever met someone with two different colored eyes? Tell us in the comments. Bonus points if you can tag them. Your eye color doesn't just make you unique. It can also affect how you experience the world. For example, people with dark brown eyes often have more melanin, which can make them more sensitive to light. On the other hand, people with light-colored eyes, like blue or gray, can usually handle bright light better, but they're more prone to UV damage. So, sunglasses aren't just fashion, they're protection. And speaking of colors, did you know that some people actually have red or violet eyes? It's rare, but it happens in people with albinism, where there's a lack of pigment in the iris. The red color comes from blood vessels showing through. Violet eyes are even rarer and usually appear as a soft purple tone. Some real-life people have them, but many photos online are digitally enhanced that you've probably heard the saying, "The eyes never lie." And there's some truth to it. When someone lies, their blinking rate can change, and they might avoid eye contact more. Trained experts can often spot a lie just by watching someone's eyes. Want to test this out? Next time you're talking to someone, ask a simple question and see where their eyes go. You might just catch them fibbing. Here's a fact that sounds futuristic. Your eye's iris is as unique as your fingerprint. Even identical twins have different iris patterns. That's why iris scans are used in security systems and smartphones. So the next time someone says you've got your mom's eyes, remember, they're actually one of a kind. And get this, some rare people, mostly women, are tetrachromats, meaning they have 4 types of color receptors instead of 3. This allows them to see up to 100 million different colors. That's colors most of us can't even imagine. If you've ever felt like you can see shades others can't, maybe you're one of them. Let us know. Now here's something even more mind-blowing. People with brown eyes actually have blue eyes underneath. Scientists discovered that a thin layer of brown melanin covers the blue, and there's even an experimental procedure that can remove this layer and reveal blue eyes permanently. But don't try this at home. It's still very risky and not recommended. Then there are gray or ice eyes. Some people think gray eyes are just a lighter version of blue, but they're a totally different structure. They scatter light differently and can appear to change color based on lighting or mood. Some even look silver. They're so rare, less than 1% of the world has them. Do you have gray or silver eyes? If yes, you're officially in the 1% club. Type eye size in the comments so we can celebrate you. You won't believe this, but your eyes started working even before you were born. Around the 7th month of pregnancy, a baby's eyes can respond to light. Shine a flashlight at a pregnant belly, and the baby might move away or toward it. Your eyes were reacting to the world before you even saw it. In some extremely rare cases, people are born without irises at all. This condition is called aniridia, and it causes serious vision problems and extreme sensitivity to light. It's like living without sunglasses forever. And here's a final fact that sounds like a superpower. Under perfect conditions, the human eye can see a candle flame from 30 miles away. That's right. On a clear, dark night, your eyes are powerful enough to spot a single flicker of light across an entire city. That if even one of these facts surprised you, it's time to show some love. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with a friend who has gorgeous eyes. Also, scroll down and tell us, what's the most shocking thing you learned today? Eyes might be small, but they carry endless mysteries, and we've only just scratched the surface.